We continue talking about unit circle. To remind you, unit circle is the circle that has radius 1. Okay. Here we have point B with coordinate x and y. So where my x is gonna be OA, here it is, and my B is gonna be BA. I mean my Y is gonna be BA. Okay, this is my Y. This is my X. All right, so A is our right angle because BA is perpendicular to OA, right? So from here, we can define our sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, trigonometric functions. This is our alpha. You can take either this angle or you can take this angle, so it doesn't matter. I'm taking that one. All right, sine alpha, this is a definition from the triangle with the right angle. Sine alpha is equal opposite side BA over hypotenuse OB. So BA is our Y, OB is 1. So we have here Y. Okay, from here I can write down that cosine alpha is equal, sine alpha, sine alpha is equal Y. Next, cosine alpha, by definition, is equal adjacent side OA over hypotenuse OB. OA is X and OB is 1. So we have here X. So we can say cosine alpha is equal X. Next, tangent alpha, by definition, from triangle with the right angle. By the way, tangent also you can see written like that, TG. And cotangent alpha is equal opposite side, which is going to be BA, over adjacent side OA. So it's working with two legs. So BA is our Y, OA is our X, where Y is equal sine alpha and X is equal cosine alpha. So from here, tangent alpha is equal sine alpha over cosine alpha. And cotangent alpha is equal OA over BA, which is equal x over y, which is cosine alpha over sine alpha. Cosine alpha over sine alpha. All right, so from this triangle with the right angle, I can say, based on Pythagorean theorem, okay, let me move this a little bit down. So it's equal x squared, based on this triangle with the right angle. Pythagorean theorem said that x squared plus y squared is equal 1 squared, which means square of one leg, or a, legs we call the side of right angle, side of right angle, which is OA and AB. So square of leg plus square of another leg, it's going to give you square of hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is a side that's laying against the right angle. So this is a formula for Pythagorean theorem. What I can do from here, replace, instead of x, replace cosine alpha, which is going to be cosine, because I have x squared, it's going to be cosine squared alpha, plus, instead of y, I'm going to take sine alpha, here it is, and because we have y squared, I put sine squared alpha. All right, and 1 squared is 1, right? So this is very important formula of trigonometric function identity.